Science Museum for you today. I am doing a vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh my God, where's Deanna? She left me. Third floor of the Science Museum. And there's a lot to see and do. We have to work our way back down, which is usually our method when we go to some museums and stuff. So. Cool. Let's get down. So she's using the keypad to control the lighting. You pink. Under the sea. There you go too. Oh, he in the bag right there. Too much water can actually be a large volume of water introduced into your body all at once. I'm about to do a challenge to see who can make a frog out of a piece of paper first, okay? So.
How many? Do you need two or one piece?
I think you need one piece. You fold it in half.
Like that?
You gotta look at the thing. Look, we're doing this together. So step one. And then
Like this. And
take
then fold it
this
the other way.
flap. That do it right. Hold up. Some ain't right. I think the paper too long. This ain't the same fast piece of plate.
This way. Right?
Go for it. Release your inhibitions.
Now you go.
Hold it like that.
Wait. You
Then
go.
open it back up.
You open it back.
This wrong. I'm trying to make a frog out. Wish me luck. Hold up. Supposed to look this to get. Sweet. And today's segment of Reality Booth will be asking some real questions as we stand in the Reality Booth. What questions would you really like to ask me? Let's begin. Deanna, which questions would you really like to ask while we're in the Reality Booth?
Why you gonna show me my birth certificate yet?
She been asking for her birth certificate since her birthday. I'm gonna get her birth certificate, y'all. This is our vlog of the Science Museum. Belle, tell them what was your favorite part. She said she don't know. I like the floor and seeing the body shape, but if you come here, you can also see movies in their dome, which is what we'll probably do the next time. I see there's one more area over here. We're gonna check out this area before we leave, but make sure y'all catch the rest of our vlog. We're gonna go home and do some holiday treats. Subscribe to my channel. So guys, we've reached the end of this vlog. I want to thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and tune in for all of our other videos for Vlogmas. We made a DIY pizza yesterday, and this is what happens when you have too much fun with Mom. Bye.